So this is a demonstration of our website where we publicize Utah roadway data. We summarize what we do down here: collision data requests, parking availability, and a traffic tools directory. So this is our road danger analytics page. The idea is collisions can only tell us a location's danger after the fact, but near-miss conflicts can give us hints about a road's danger beforehand. And so near misses are recorded by our computer vision models on real Utah roadways, and we display that data quickly and efficiently here on a near miss conflicts map for everyone to see. So within the near miss conflicts map, you can scroll around. This is an interactive map of Salt Lake City. You can select locations and you can download near miss conflicts data from across the valley. So some of this data includes the date time of near miss and the frames until two cars collided. And this is an example of what could be done at scale, publicly, transparently, and quickly. So here's a demonstration of our footage request form page. The idea is, if we have recorded a collision, then you can request for data about that collision to be sent to you via email. And this is the form that allows you to do so. So here I've put in my name, put in my email, I've put in the type of event, I've put in the location and the event time and date, and then whether or not I was an involved party or not, my relation to the event. And then from here, I can submit a request, and that request will be logged on our back end, and we will either disapprove it or approve it. And if we approve it, then we will send you via email all the information you need to know about your collision.
Okay, this is the parking tool on our website. You can see we have an image from one of the traffic cameras. These images are publicly accessible. Every 15 minutes, UDOT releases these images, a screenshot from each of their traffic cameras. And so what we do here is we wrote a script that takes these images and stores them into an AWS bucket, where then we can store them and then analyze them. So this traffic camera is actually pointed at a university campus parking lot, and we were able to collect data from this parking lot for over a week, until they actually moved the camera around and we weren't able to see it anymore. But we can still show some analytics from this parking lot. We can show the averages over time during the duration that we did record this data here. And so you can see this is the number of cars that our model picked up in this image in the parking lot over time on the different days of the week. So here's Monday, and then here's Friday, and you can see the average parking occupancy of this parking lot over time. Aside from this first camera, we have a list of other cameras that are live and pointed at parking lots right now. So let's look at those. We can see this is the Spanish Fork High School parking lot, and it's kind of late, so there's no cars in sight. And so if you looked at the live occupancy, you also see there's no cars here. And so our model correctly detected 0 cars in there. Let's look at some other parking lots here. So this parking lot right here, there are some cars there. If you scroll down, you can see the live occupancy of that current parking lot at this moment. And the longer that we run this footage, or store the footage and run this model on this data, we can show the live average over time. But currently, these live images, they just show the current donut chart that shows the live occupancy at that moment. This is a tool that will help those in Utah know if parking will be available for them or not.
This is our Explore tool page, where we provide various links to UDOT resources that would otherwise not be too obvious. Such tools, our whole goal is to make Utah traffic data easy to navigate, find, and access. So we added this extra page.